Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding a helper column immediately to the right of your data so you never lose the original. Once done, scan a few cells to spot which dash characters appear, hyphen, n dash, or m dash, because find and replace can miss variants. Now, in the first helper cell, prepare the formula structure. Use substitute to target the simple hyphen first, and plan nested substitute calls for the other char codes, so you remove every dash type consistently. You now enter the full nested substitute in the helper cell. Substitute 3 times 1 for, and 2 for char 8211 and char 8212, so every dash variant is stripped. After typing the formula, press enter and then fill down to apply to the whole column. Excel will compute quickly. Once done, check a few entries and use LEN or conditional formatting to confirm lengths changed. This proves dashes were removed rather than hidden by formatting. Finish by selecting the helper column, copy, then paste special right arrow values back onto the original cells so you replace text with cleaned results. After that, delete the helper column and reapply any number formats. Make sure formulas are gone. If numbers look like text, convert them with value or multiply by 1 to coerce numeric type. If dashes persist, inspect using code or Unicode functions to find the exact char code and add another substitute. This fixes rare dash variants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.